I'm happy to share with you 7 convincing reasons why upgrading to the iPhone 15 Pro this year rather than holding out for the iPhone 16 Pro is a must. So take a seat, buckle in, and prepare for an exciting voyage filled with groundbreaking features and innovation. Let's go. The redesign. The iPhone 15 Pro features a little yet significant update. It is easier to handle because of the edges sliding curves, but it can still stand up on its own. Additionally, the rounded edges gives it a thin and elegant appearance. Number 2, USB-C port. The whole iPhone 15 lineup will reportedly sport a USB-C port in place of a Lightning connector. This modification speeds up transfer and charging, and numerous devices may use the same cables. Number 3, titanium finish. Apple is reintroducing titanium as a finish choice for the iPhone for the first time in 6 years. Compared to aluminum or stainless steel, titanium is stronger, lighter, and more resilient. Furthermore, it better withstands dirt and fingerprints. Number 4, programmable action button. On the 15 Pro versions, the mute switch has been replaced by a fully programmable action button. Your iPhone becomes more versatile because to the fact that you may program it to carry out different tasks, launch apps, or manage particular aspects. Number 5, A17 Bionic chip. The A17 Bionic chip, manufactured using a 3nm technology, will be included in the iPhone 15 Pro. This processor provides significant performance improvements and improved battery performance, which enhances overall performance and battery life. Number 6, MagSafe wireless charging. The iPhone 15 Pro boosts MagSafe wireless charging power from the previous 15 watts to 20 watts. With this improvement, wireless charging is now more practical and effective. The astonishing 7 reasons to switch to the iPhone 15 Pro if the other 6 weren't persuading enough is its cutting-edge camera capabilities. With the updated camera system, which include cutting-edge AI-powered photography capabilities, advanced sensors, and increased low-light performance, get ready to capture spectacular moments. Say goodbye to shaky photos and welcome to high-quality photography at your fingertips. Your memories will come to life like never before with the iPhone 15 Pro. These are the 7 strong arguments for upgrading to the iPhone 15 Pro this year. Please let me know in the comment section below if you disagree with me or have alternative views. Also, consider subscribing for more content just like this. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. See you soon.